Chapter 6, Part 11. After Jalal's death, his widow, Kira Khatun, suggested to her stepson, Sultan Beled Bahauddin, that he ought to have succeeded his father as rector of the fraternity and not Hussein. Sultan Beled answered that it had been his father's request that Hussein should succeed, and that he himself had sworn the oath of fidelity to Hussam, and that Hussam was now become a kind of spiritual beehive through the incessant and multitudinous visitations of angelic ministers sent to him with messages from on high. And now, using the English, yes, these people are prophets, or at least that's what's being claimed. But using the Arabic, they're not denying Khatan an-Nabi, the seal of the prophets, or Akar Rasul, last the messengers. We're meaning something different. Certainly there's still spiritually gifted individuals. And the continuation of a spiritual line, teaching, political, whatever, is not quite done in the same way as hereditary inheritance.